In a quaint Michigan town, the locals orchestrated a frantic search for a missing toddler. Their faces etched with worry. Every leaf and twig was overturned. Every nook inspected. They scoured until they reached a serene wooded spot. There, they found the mischievous tot, snoring lightly, curled up with her loyal doll, serving as a plush pillow. Laughter bubbled up amongst the searchers. Turns out, this adventurous duo was merely on a quest for the ultimate nap spot. So, the most massive search operation concluded with the giggles and a newfound appreciation for canine comfort. The town's new punchline: seek and you shall find the best nap ever.